Hello students, in this video I'm going to continue the chapter lines and angles, and in this video I will move on to the last topic of this chapter, which is majorly based on angle sum property of a triangle and the relation between exterior angle of a triangle with its interior angles. Now first let us see the angle sum property of a triangle, what it says, and how to prove the statement of this theorem. Okay, actually it is given as a theorem for you, and I have written already the statement of this theorem. It is like this: the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, it's actually what? Interior angles. Interior angles means what? The angles present inside the triangle. Okay, if you consider the angles inside the triangle, they are called as interior. Usually it is interior. I think it will be understood for you. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, whatever may be the triangle. Okay, whatever may be it, isosceles, right angle triangle, isosceles, whatever it may be, right angled one, whatever it may be, the sum of all the angles is equal to how much? 180 degree. And the given data is actually what? Just triangle PQR is given. Okay, triangle PQR, and I have written the diagram. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. These are all the three angles. Okay, triangle means there are three sides and three angles. Okay, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Three angles are there. So now we have to prove actually what? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 means the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. You have to show this one: angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. And we need some construction for this one, and I'm going to write on the construction what is actually now. Now look at here. Draw xy parallel to QR through P. Okay, means the line xy which is parallel to QR must pass us through the point P. So now look at here. Now I'm going to make write on the construction in the diagram. So look at here. Through the point P, you have to draw a parallel to QR, means you have to write on in this direction. Okay, parallel, that's why. Okay, so now I'm going to write on the parallel. Okay, so that is through the point P. Okay, so this is actually what? XY parallel to, this is X and this is Y. Okay, XY is parallel to what? QR. So now look at here. So this is the parallel line, and this is PQ is one of the side of the triangle, and here one angle is formed, and here also this is one of the side, and here it is the line XY. Here also one angle is formed. Okay, so now just look at here. You need to understand one more thing here. So now look at here. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. XY QR parallel ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ PR ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, XY ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, QR ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ PQ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, PQ ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, PQ ಏನಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? XY ಮತ್ತೆ QR ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ PQ ನ XY ಮತ್ತೆ QR ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 2. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ XY ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು QR ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ XY ಮತ್ತೆ QR ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಂಗಲ್ 2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, but I am going to write on this one as 4, but in the next line I am going to write on 2 is equal to 4 because alternate angles. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ, ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಸಲ್, ಪಿ ಆರ್ ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಸಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಸಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಆಂಗಲ್ 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಸಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಂಗಲ್ 3 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, 4 ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಿಗರ್ I'm going to write down like this. Okay, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, and next one kuda barkonbidi, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Okay, so reason common agi barbidi, alternate angles. Okay, it will be enough. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೇರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಗೈನ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ವೈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ವೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? 180 degree, definitely straight angle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 angles ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 5 should be equal to 180 degree. ಸೊ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 3 angles ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ angle 1 as it is. Instead of writing angle 4, I am going to write on angle 2. Why? So because of 1 angle 4 is equal to what? Angle 2. In the same sense, instead of writing angle 5, I am going to write on angle 3, because angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So that's why I have written, and which is equal to 180 degree. So this completes the proof of the theorem. Okay, so now look at here. Actually we have to prove what? We have to prove this one. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. The same thing I have proved here. So that's why the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to how much? 180 degree. So this is correct, and this is the proof of the theorem. Okay, and you have to write on the proof, and you have to learn this one because it may be asked in the examination. Now look at the next theorem which is given in your textbook. I'm not going to prove this one. Actually, proof is not given to you. Only for 6.7 it is given the proof. For 6.8 just a statement is given to you. The same statement already I have written. Look at here. Just try to understand this one. If a side of a triangle is produced, okay, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, this is very important statement because we are going to use this theorem in the upcoming exercise. That's why it is very important. Look at here. So one of the side of a triangle is produced in any direction. Now look at here. I have written one figure for you. Look at here. ABC is a triangle. So now this is the side BC. You can extend this side, means produced means you need to extend further. So this is the side BC. There are two possibilities. You can produce in this direction or you can produce in this direction. So first let us see. I'm going to produce in this direction. If you produce this side in this direction, So one angle will be created like this. Okay, so this is the side of the triangle, this is the produced side, this is the angle created here. So this is actually called as exterior angle. Why it is exterior? It is outside of the triangle, that's why it is exterior. Exterior means what is the meaning of exterior? Which is outside of the something, it is called as exterior. Okay, so now the next thing is, now come to the inside of the triangle. So there are actually three angles. Interior angles means there are three interior angles. So now here it is the angle, so the immediate means adjacent interior angle means this one. You need to neglect this one. Okay, don't consider this one. Okay, which is the immediate interior of the exterior. Okay, don't consider this one, neglect this one. So if you neglect this one, there are two remaining angles. Okay, they are actually called as what? Two interior opposite angles. Okay, these are the two interior opposite angles actually. Okay, interior opposite angles. If you take the sum of these two angles, okay, and this sum is equal to the exterior angle. Okay, let us suppose if you consider this one as angle A, this one as angle B, and this one as angle ACD. Now we can write down like this: angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B, like this. Okay, I think the statement is very clear for you. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, so for further clarification, I'm going to write down more figures for you, so then I think it will become very clear for you. Okay, so now look at here, I'm going to draw a triangle, one more triangle here. So this is actually what? A, B, C. I told for you, you can extend BC in this direction also. If you extend in this direction, you will get the line like this. Now look at here. So this is actually what? Exterior angle. Okay, I'm going to put this one as angle 3. So now this is equal to what? Interior opposite angle. So means neglect this one. Okay, so consider this one and then this one. I'm going to put this one as 1 and 2. So therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, like this. In the same sense, I'm going to write down one more triangle here. So now instead of BC, I'm going to extend another side. Okay, so now look at here. Here it is the side what? AP. Okay, I'm going to extend this one in this direction, or you can in this direction. First I'm going to extend in this direction. Now what is the exterior angle? So produced side and this side. Okay, so now look at it, this is angle 3. This is equal to what? So this one plus this one, 1 and 2. So here also angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. I hope it is very clear for you. Okay, so for further clarification, I'm going to write on one more triangle. In this triangle only I'm going to extend the two sides. See, let us take this one as A, B, and then see, I'm going to extend in this direction. Okay, in the same sense, I'm going to extend this one in this direction. Okay, now you can observe how many exterior angle. Here this is 1 and here this is 2. Okay, so now I'm going to denote this one as 1 and this one as 2 and this one as 3 and this one as 4 and this one as 5. So now what can you say? Angle 4 is equal to what? Angle 4 means this is the exterior angle. Leave this one, 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2. And what can you say about the angle exterior angle 5 is equal to, okay, forget about this one, 1 plus 3. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 3. In the same sense, you can also extend this side also. If you extend, you will get this one. Okay, I'm going to write on 5 is over 6. Okay, angle 6 is equal to what? Forget about this one. Angle 6 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2, like this. Okay, so and I will take one more particular example, means with angles. Okay, so now look at here. Let us suppose this is equal to 120 degree. Okay, let us imagine it is equal to 120 degree, and if it is equal to 70 degree. Okay, so then you can immediately judge what will be this value. Okay, so on adding which number to 70, you will get 120. It's equal to how much? 50 degree. Okay, so 70 plus 50 is equal to 120, like this. If these two angles are known, and let us suppose, imagine it is not known, these two angles are known, and what will be the value of this one? Sum of these two, 70 plus 50, it will become 120, like that. So this is actually the major thing I am going to use in the upcoming problems. Okay, so just this theory is enough for you. Just remember, sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree, and exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now I will move on to the exercise 6.3. Look at the first question of the exercise 6.3. It is like this. In figure 6.39, sides QP and RQ of a triangle PQR are produced to points S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 135 degree and angle PQT is equal to 110 degree, find angle PRQ. Now look at the solution of the question number 1. I have written already the figure and given data. Look at the figure here. PQR is the triangle and the side QR is extended in this direction, and in the same sense the side PQ is extended in this direction. So now look at here, the exterior angles are already given to you. So this is equal to what? 110 degree, and this is equal to what? 135 degree. So this is 135 degree, and this is equal to what? The sum of this one and then this one actually. Okay, so I think you can do this one in a different way actually. So but initially you have to use one of the important point that is actually you have learnt in the starting concept of this chapter, that is straight angle, property of a straight angle. Straight angle means it is always equal to what? 180 degree. So now look at here, I'm going to write on like this. From figure, okay, now look at here. So what can you say about angle TQR? Angle TQR means this complete angle. Okay, what can you say about this one? So this is equal to how much? 180 degree, because it is a straight angle. Okay, so from figure, angle TQR is equal to 180 degree, and write on the reason, because it is a straight angle. Okay, it's a straight line actually. So that's why straight line means it always forms what? Straight angle. Okay, TQR, angle TQR is equal to 180 degree. And how can we express angle TQR? I'm going to write on like this. PQT, angle this one, and then PQR, this one. Okay, so if you take sum of these two angles, okay, this angle plus this angle, that is equal to TQR actually. I'm going to write on like this. PQT plus angle PQR is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so now look at here. PQT means it is already given 110 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So now we can evaluate what is the angle PQR. Angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So therefore angle PQR is equal to how much? 180 minus 110 means it will become 70 degree. Okay, so that's why this angle is equal to how much? 70 degree. In the same sense, you can apply the same properties, right angle property. You will get this one is equal to 45 plus 70, and this sum is equal to 180 degree. You can solve in that method also, but I am going to use the that is the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that property. Okay, so now I'm going to continue from here. So look at here. From triangle PQR, PQR. Okay, so this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to what? This is SPR. Okay, so this is the exterior angle, and it should be equal to what? Sum of interior opposite angle. Interior opposite angle means this one and then this one. Okay, so the sum of these two is equal to this one. Now look at here. PQR, angle PQR plus PRQ. Okay, PRQ. Actually, I have to find out what? PRQ. PQR is noun for you. PQR is equal to 70 degree. SPR is already given 135 degree. So that's why 135 degree is equal to what? PQR means PQR is equal to 70 degree plus angle PRQ. So now shift this one towards the left side. 135 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, so if we subtract this one, so 30 means 65 actually. Okay, you will get 65 degree is equal to angle PRQ. So in the next line I'm going to reverse this one. Angle PRQ is equal to what? 65 degree. So this completes the solution of the first question. Actually it's very simple, just I have applied what? Straight line. Okay, straight angle property, straight line, or else you can write on straight angle. Okay, both are same. Straight angle property. After that, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, like that. Okay, just if you apply those two, you will get what is PRQ. So alternative way is, I told for you, if you apply the straight angle property here, 180 degree minus 135 degree means you will get this is equal to what? 45 degree. Okay, I'm going to write on this one actually 45 degree. So then I'm going to do what you can do like this: 45 degree plus 70 degree, and this one plus this one is equal to what? 45 degree plus 70 degree plus PRQ, angle PRQ, it should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so by simplification this one also you will get angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. You can do this one. Okay, this is the alternative way you can do by any one of the method. Okay, so if you write on, okay, if you want alternative method, you can write on this one, alternative method. Now look at the question number 2. In figure 6.40, angle x is equal to 62 degree, angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and angle YOZ. Now look at the solution. I have written the figure and the given data. So look at here XYZ is the bigger triangle. So in the triangle XYZ, two angles are already given. So this one angle X and this is angle Y, but angle Z is unknown for you. So if two angles are given to you, then you can immediately find out the third angle of the triangle. How can you find out? By using angle sum property. Okay, so now look at here, by angle sum property, in triangle XYZ, okay, we can write on like this: angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z should be equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, angle sum property. Angle X means 62 degree plus angle Y means 54 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so adding these two will get what? 110, 116. Okay, 116 degree plus angle Z, which is equal to 180 degree, and then angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus 116 degrees. So therefore angle Z is equal to, so this will become how much? 64 degree. Okay, angle Z is equal to how much? 64 degree. This complete angle is equal to how much? 64 degree. Okay, so now actually we have to find out what we have to find out. In the question it is given like this: find angle OZY. OZY means you have to find out this angle OZY, and the next thing we have to find out is YOZ. YOZ means this angle actually. Okay, you have to find out these two angles. And once again, look at here, one of the important data is given for you: YO bisects angle XYZ. Angle XYZ means what? Angle XYZ means it is 54 degree, and this line OY going to bisect angle Y. Okay, bisection means what I told earlier for you, making two equal parts. Okay, so if this line makes two equal parts, this angle 54 degree, so then this part is equal to, okay, so this is equal to how much? 27 degree, and the lower part also becomes how much? 27 degree. Okay, so now here also the same thing. So it is given ZO bisects X by Z, so that's why here it will become what ZO bisects XZY. XZY means 64 degree. OZ bisects 64 degree means this part is equal to how much? 32 degree, and this part is equal to how much? This is equal to 32 degree. I think you are getting my point. Okay, what I'm going to tell you. Okay, now look at here, very important thing, you have to write on that one. So given YO bisects angle XYZ, so this implies angle OYX is equal to angle OYZ, because these two parts must be equal, is equal to what? Half of 54. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 54ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟು 27 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟು 27 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 27 degree. So that's why OYZ becomes what? OYZ becomes 27 degree. In the same sense, okay, in the same sense I'm going to write on the second one also. ZO bisects angle XZY. Okay, so this means what? XZY na bisect madide, that's why we can write on like this: OZY, angle OZY is equal to this is OZX is equal to 64 degree divided by 2. It will give what? 32 degree. Okay, so like this. So that's why this is equal to 32 degrees. So now we have found out what? One thing, that is OZY is equal to 32 degree. Okay, therefore OZY is equal to 32 degree. OZY is equal to 32 degree. ZX is also equal to 32 degree. So now the next thing is you have to find out this one. Okay, so now look at here, OYZ is also triangle. Okay, so look at the three angles of this triangle. This is one angle, second angle, and third angle. This angle and this angle is already known for you. This is 27 degree, this is 32 degree. So now by using angle sum property you can find out what is this angle. Okay, so now look at here, by angle sum property, in triangle OYZ. Okay, so we get like this, angle YOZ. First I'm going to write on this angle YOZ, next OYZ. Okay, next this angle OZY. It should be equal to how much? 180 degree. These two angles are actually known. Write on this one as it is, angle YOZ plus OYZ means what? OYZ 27 degree. OYZ 27 degree. Okay, then plus OZY. Okay, OZY is equal to 32 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So next YOZ is equal to, okay, it will become how much? 50, 57, 58, 59. Okay, 180 degree minus 59. Okay, it will become like this. Next YOZ is equal to 180 degree minus 59 degree means it will become how much? 60, and then 80, 121 degree I think. Okay, 121 degree. So it will become 60 on 80. So that's why YOZ is equal to how much? 121 degree. And this completes the solution of the second one. Now I'm going to wind up today's class up to here, and 4 more questions are present actually. Okay, in this exercise, if we complete those 4 questions, this chapter will also be completed. and I will continue the remaining 4 questions in the next class, and I'm going to stop here. We will continue this one in the next class. Thank you, one and all.